Okay guys, welcome to my channel again, uh, and welcome to today's task. Again, my name is Nathaniel. um, Today we are going to be solving this task, ox06.c, move pointers, arrays and string. Okay, this is actually the task for the day. If you are finding it difficult navigating around the quiz, I've also done my quiz here, and you have to always remember to try and go through the resources that is provided. And if you are still having issues, let's just navigate to the quiz question. So let me show here question 0. Okay, so this is the answer for question 0. Question 1, and so this is the answer here. Question 1. Question 2, what is wrong with the following code? So it's impossible, it's not possible to access array n. That's the answer. So question 3, this is the answer. Question 4, this is the answer. Question 5, this is the answer. Question 6, that's the end of the quiz. Okay, so I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just going to go straight to the task. Let's solve the task together. You can see I've not done mine yet, so we are just going to work on it together. So task 1, write a function that concatenates two strings. Concatenate means join two strings together. So the first thing we are going to do is I'm just going to come down. Let me get my sandbox web 10. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen now. So let me divide the screen. I'm going to divide my screen now. Okay, so I'm in my terminal now, my sandbox. So the first thing that we have to do is to navigate to go to our repo here. See, we've already created a repo, so we are going to just cd into lx low level programming and hit enter. You can see I'm now in my repo. So we have to create a directory inside this repo. So if I do ls now, you see list of my directories. So ls, you can see I have all this. You can see this is not there. ox06 is not there. I have ox05. That was the previous tags. So now I'm going to make directory into this. So I can just copy this. Hold along. It's just do what I'm doing. I can just copy this. Right click to copy, then come to my terminal. I will terminal, make directory mkdir and paste what I've copied and hit enter. So let me do ls again. You can see, oh, we've created our directories. Congratulations. So we created our new directories. Okay, so after we've created our directories, the first thing for us to do before we start solving the task is for us to, if you look at the instruction here, we are going to create a readme file. You understand? At the root of the folder, or the root of the project. So we are going to create a readme file that will contain description. So let's do it this way. So we are just going to say you can use emac, you can use vi, can use Vim. So me, I'm comfortable with Vim. Vim. So readme, everything in capital, but the .md small letter. Readme.md. So readme.md. So with this readme file, now we are creating it inside. Oh, sorry. Okay. So we have to create this readme. So sorry about that, sorry guys. So I'm going to cd into the new directory, because if I create that readme now, it's going to go into our repo. So that's not where we have to create the readme. We have to create the readme inside this file here. So I can even copy it, or I can say cd into OXO6. What's up? Okay, sorry, there's no space. Sorry, guys. cd into OXO6. So you can see we are now inside our new directory. So that's where I'm going to do my readme. I'm going to create my readme file. So I'm going to say vim readme.md. Okay, so the thing to make this video as short as possible, I have created files content here that we are just going to copy and paste here, but you guys can type it out, because the more you type things in programming, the better you understand it. So but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just make it a short video, so you can be able to just go straight and do your tasks. Then you can always read your materials later. So for the purpose of this video, we are just going to, I have a readme file here. Okay, so this is the readme file. So but you can actually put this, and you can make it as short as you want, but this is what I'm going to use. So this is the readme file. So let's come here and say vim, that's into readme.file, and hit enter. It's going to open my editor, text editor for me. So you press I for insert, that's to start typing. I'm just going to copy from here, blah blah. Let's copy from here. Okay, from here to here, copy, then come here and paste it. Voila. Okay, so I have pasted that. So once we are done typing, you know how to close it now. So I just do my escape. I on my cap lock, then type ZZ. And what I did, escape, capital letter Z for zebra. Okay, so I've successfully created our readme file here as a Vim readme. So the next thing we are going to do is to create our main.h file. This main.h file now is going to contain all the prototypes. You understand? It's going to contain all the prototypes of our tags. You can see each of the tags has its own prototype. These are prototypes. You understand? So the main.h file is going to contain all the prototypes. So, but to make the video short, like I said earlier, I've already compiled this stuff, so you can just check on the description below. So I'm going to say vim main.h. You can copy and paste if you want to. This is a file here. You can copy here main.h, or you can type it out. Main.h, then hit enter. Okay, it's going to open. Activate your insert I to insert. So this is the file here, main.h. So it always ends with #end if, always end with #end if. So you can copy from here and copy from here, copy, and come here to paste it. Now, okay, so escape capital Z Z. Okay, so we've created our main.h, and like I said earlier, it contains all the prototype. Can see here, contain all the prototypes of our tags. So okay, so the next thing for us to do is to create our pucha.c file. You understand? So we are going to create our pucha.c file. Here is the script for pucha.c file. Here's the script for it. So we are going to do vi pucha.c. So I can just copy here. Paste pucha.c file. Then and hit enter. Activate your insert mode. Then copy from here down here. Copy and paste it. Okay, so let me see. And as well close the some of the space. Yeah. No, okay. 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 So escape capital double C. Okay, so we've created our readme file. Let me make this okay. We created our readme files, and we've created our main.h, and we've created our pucha file. So let me just ls and see what we have inside. Expand the window. Ls. Okay, so you can see we have our main.h, we have our pucha.c, and we have our readme file. So we have the basic criteria needed for our project to start. Okay, okay. So now we are ready to start creating our files now. Let's go to our tags. First tags. Don't worry, the script for all these things is provided on the script on the description there. Okay, so the next thing is for us to start creating our file. The first thing, so try and read around it. So write a function that concatenates two strings. This is the prototype. This function append the src string to the dst string, overwriting the terminating null bytes, open bracket, /0 close bracket. So just read through there. Because of time factor, we will not be able to go through all these things. So I'm just going to be very fast now. Okay, so we copy this. Let me play my terminal. So vi and space and come to our script and copy it from there. You can see the header file. Okay, so come here and paste it. Escape double Z. So let's run Betty and see. Betty. Oh shit. Sorry, I control C to come out of the loop. See, I just did something now. You can't use command. What's it called? You cannot use short keys most of the time here. So I just use a short code now and gave me all these guys. Okay, so I'm just going to clear my terminal. It's looking messy now. So clear. run Betty, then we are running Betty on this, so I can copy this and paste it. Okay, so successful. So okay, let's continue creating other ones now. Okay, come to this. Activate our insert node. Come to our script. You can copy this thing and or you can type it yourself so you get familiar with it. It's important. So we paste it. Escape. ZZ. Run Betty. Then Betty. Then paste. Okay, successful. Go to the next task. Okay, so time, paste it, and copy our script. Because if we have to be typing this, if I have to be typing it, it's going to make this video very long. So activate our insert here, then paste here, paste our script, escape, capital letter double Z, run Betty on it. Always try and run Betty to make sure that you're on the right track. Betty 2 dash, okay, successful. So let's go here and create C behind C. So activate our insert node, come to the script, this number 3. Number 3. Yeah, we're on the right track. Escape, save and escape, save and quit. Same thing. So Betty 3. Okay, successfully. Number 4. So you can see that all the files is going to be inside this our directory. So don't mix it up, please. So we come here. This 4. Copy. Activate our insert. Then paste it. Save and quit. Run Betty. And make sure you are doing it with your web terminal. Don't try Git Bash or any other terminal. You do it with inside your web terminal. So okay, so the next one, 5 string top level C. Okay, let's pick our insert. Okay, let's pick our insert from here. Copy the code. Okay, quit, save and quit. Quit and save and quit. The same thing. Okay, Betty running fine. Number 6. Try copy now. Okay, come here behind, paste it, then we'll go to um, get it from here also. Copy, select our insert and paste it, save and quit, or quit and save. 86, number 7, number 7, then come to our script, number 7, save your insert mode. Okay, save and quit. Okay, so we've done we've done the number 7 is the last, then we have 5 extra advanced uh, tasks. Okay, so let's do the advanced also. So we just run everything once. So copy um, the our insert mode. The script is already provided here, right? So nothing to here, nothing to be about. Find this together. We must make it true. We must make it true. Okay, so run Betty 100. Okay, so number 9, escape, save and quit. Run Betty 101. So the next one, here I am. So here's the script for that one also. You can decide to type it, and you can also copy it and paste depending on what you want. Save and quit. Run Betty 102. Magic.c. Okay, next one. Oh, sorry. There's a warning here. There's a warning here. Okay, so let's go and check. Okay, it's just a warning. It will go. It will go. It's not an error. You understand? It's just a warning. It's spaced, so just to go there and close some spaces, but it will still go. It will still go. So okay. So okay. So let's copy again. Copy this. This one is quite long, so let's copy it to here, and copy from here and activate our insights and paste it. Save and quit. Let's run Betty. 103. Okay, that's just right. So the next one, number 12, 104, print profile. Let's see. Okay, so VI, VIM. So let's come to our last script here, 104. Okay, copy, activate our insert and paste it. Save and quit. Okay, so run Betty. Betty 104. Okay, Betty successfully. So we have successfully created our files, and we've created the header file, and also we've created our footer. We've created our readme. So I believe at this point, let's try and see if our code is going to run successfully. Blah blah. Nice. This is no. Okay, so let's just do that. Let's git add okay, git commit message, and let's just say can just can use this as maybe a commit message. So I'm just going to copy this and paste here. And git push. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this inside this. So your username, no, I'm just going to plot this out. Your username we successfully created and push our this thing, our tags to our GitHub. So let's run our code and see. Check out. Okay, so you can see check your code successfully. Okay, so the next one, let's run our check on all our code and see, hopefully everything go through. Yeah, it went through. Okay, so the next one, so just follow step by step on this video. You are going to get everything right. Just follow all the steps. If you are confused, rewatch the video again, take it back and watch it again. You are going to get it right, guys. You can do it. I really wish that every one of us will complete this LX program and come out as a software engineer. That's my honest wish. So you can see our checker is running. So far so good. So once you do this, you'll be excited because everything will run. Okay, so we've git add, we've git commit, and we git push. Okay, so it's running.